So to start, I have the Dixie cup. I've sort of marked a hole here. I'm going to take my pen and try and do this while I'm also videotaping and poke a hole. So nothing too big. I don't want it to be too big and I don't want it to be too small. The key is sort of letting water out but not letting the sediments fall out. So now I'm outside and I have my sand. I picked out some of the bigger gravel pieces. This is sort of very gravelly sand. And I have water, and I have about the same amount in each. And I've got my finger kind of on the hole of the cup underneath, just so that then there's no sand kind of dripping out. And I can do that too, where then I'll add the water, and then I could start the timer if I weren't going to be using my phone for recording this video. So now I've got my water. I'm getting ready to pour it. So I'm going to pour it in. And then I'm going to release my finger and start the timer. And maybe my hole is too, because it's falling out over the side. So maybe I should make my hole just a little bit bigger. Obviously, this is part of the experiment, is figuring out what's going to make the most sense. You could also start the timer when you start pouring right into the sand rather than waiting until after you filled the cup. There are multiple ways to approach this, and that's part of the fun of the experiment.